Have you ever wondered how it's possible for some people to build a fortune from absolutely nothing? Well, what if I told you that many of the wealthiest individuals didn't start with silver spoons in their mouths but rather with empty pockets and big dreams? Today, we're going to explore just how they did it. It's a myth that you need to inherit a fortune to become wealthy. In fact, the truth is often far more inspiring and a lot more actionable. Whether it's through leveraging technology, spotting unique market opportunities, or crafting a skill that's in high demand, the paths to riches are as diverse as they are surprising. So if you've ever felt stuck or believed that financial success is out of your reach, stay tuned. Today's video is all about breaking down those barriers and unveiling the strategies that can pave your way to wealth. From ordinary beginnings to extraordinary outcomes, we're diving deep into how to make your financial dreams a reality. Are you ready to change your life? Let's get started. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey where we defy the norms and discover the paths less traveled to wealth. But first, let me share a little bit about my own experience. Back when I was in college, I lived in a tiny dorm room. My entire living space was no bigger than some people's closets. I had big dreams but little more than a laptop and a heap of textbooks. One night, while brainstorming ways to make extra cash, I stumbled upon a niche need in the digital world. With no money to invest, I relied purely on my ability to learn quickly and adapt. That small digital project, it turned into my first successful business venture. Why am I telling you this? Because understanding the essence of starting from scratch and leveraging unconventional strategies is key to realizing that financial success isn't reserved for the fortunate few. It's available to anyone with determination and the right knowledge. Whether you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or you just want to escalate your financial game, today's insights are crucial. We'll explore not just how to make money, but how to think creatively and act strategically. Skills that are indispensable in today's economy. So, get ready to take notes and open your mind to the possibilities as we dive into the core strategies that can catapult you from financial instability to prosperity. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Are you ready? Let's explore these powerful strategies step by step. As we dive into these strategies, remember, the key is not just to understand them, but to see how you can adapt each to fit your personal circumstances. Leverage the power of the internet. First up, the internet. It's a vast marketplace with endless opportunities. For instance, consider the world of blogging and content creation. Many started as simple hobbyists and have now turned their passions into profitable businesses through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and more. With just a website and the right strategies, anyone can start generating substantial income. The key? Consistent content and understanding your audience. Consider the story of Sarah, who started a blog about sustainable living. Initially a hobby, her blog grew as she monetized it through affiliate links and partnerships with eco-friendly brands. Last year, she earned over $100,000, primarily from her online endeavors. The internet opens doors to global markets right from your living room. The key is to find your niche and connect passionately with your audience. Innovate within niche markets. Next, let's talk about niche markets. These are specific areas where you can offer a unique product or service. Take, for example, eco-friendly packaging for small businesses. An entrepreneur capitalized on this and created a booming business as companies look to reduce their environmental footprint. The lesson here? Look for needs that are unmet in your community or online and think outside the box to fulfill them. Take Mark, who noticed a lack of high-quality, affordable tech accessories in his community. He started designing cases for popular yet underserved smartphone models and sold them online. His unique designs quickly caught on, turning his small project into a profitable e-commerce store. Identifying a specific need and addressing it uniquely can set your business apart from the competition. Utilize automation. Automation is your best friend in today's economy. It allows you to scale your business without a proportional increase in effort or cost. Consider the example of dropshipping. This business model lets you sell products directly to customers without ever handling the goods yourself. Automation tools manage your orders and shipping, freeing you up to focus on marketing and customer service. Imagine Lisa, who set up an automated system for her online jewelry store. The system manages everything from stock control to customer inquiries, allowing her to focus on creating new designs and marketing her products. By automating routine tasks, you can dramatically increase your business's efficiency and your own productivity. Develop a high-income skill. Independently. In today's digital world, high-income skills like software development, SEO, or digital marketing can be self-taught through online courses and tutorials. Freelancers with these skills are in high demand and can work from anywhere, providing services to global clients. Start small, perhaps with a free course, and build up your portfolio gradually. Consider Alex, a graphic designer who learned his trade through online courses. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, he's now sought after by major corporations for branding projects, consistently earning 6 figures annually. Investing time in acquiring and mastering a high-demand skill can open up lucrative opportunities worldwide. Invest wisely and early. Lastly, let's not forget about smart investments. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, the earlier and wiser you invest, the better your potential returns. Success stories of early Bitcoin investors are well known, but remember, informed decisions are key. Educate yourself on investment options and trends, and perhaps start with a small, manageable amount. Emily started investing small amounts in stocks and cryptocurrencies while in college. Through consistent investments and careful market study, she built a diverse portfolio that paid off her student loans and bought her first home. Starting small and staying informed are key to successful investing. Even modest investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. These strategies are not just theories. They are actionable plans that have worked for countless individuals. Whether you're starting with a little or with nothing, what matters most is your drive to succeed and your willingness to learn and adapt. Now, let's wrap up with a summary of what we've learned today and discuss how you can take your first steps towards building your wealth. First, we explored the power of the internet and how creating content can turn into a lucrative business. Next, we discussed finding and dominating niche markets with unique products or services. We also looked at how automating your business can free up valuable time, allowing you to scale efficiently. Then, we learned about the importance of developing high-income skills that are in demand. And finally, we touched on the crucial aspect of investing wisely and starting early to maximize your financial growth. Now, it's your turn. Which of these strategies resonated most with you? Are there any you're eager to try out? I encourage you to choose at least one strategy and take a concrete step towards it this week. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a single step, and you have the power to take that step today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and don't hesitate to share it with someone who could benefit from these strategies. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. What has worked for you, or what are you planning to implement? Drop your stories and questions in the comments below. Your input not only enriches our community, but also inspires others to take action. Thank you for joining me today. Together, let's build a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality for all of us. Until next time, keep pushing forward and keep dreaming big. Take care.